People usually only see the finished version of someone's dream life, the trips, the nice setup, the freedom. But this is what mine looks like while I'm still building it.
On your end.
Most people think content creation is just filming. Most of the work actually happens when the camera is off. Yung sobrang tambak ka na sa video tapos hindi mo na alam kung alin yung uunahin mong i-edit and saan ka magfo-focus.
Third payment ako.
Here's one hobby that I wanted to share with you guys. It's motovlogging, and mostly my favorite part is doing it on a POV mode, or the point of view where I ride my favorite scooter. I really enjoy riding because it gives me a different type of feeling na hindi ko na-experience doing many different hobbies. Tipo na nagra-ride ka pero you also have the freedom to observe and clear your mind as well.
Fight tayo sa ulan! Sarap nito! Woo!
It doesn't look like much today, but these small wins are adding up. So recently, may mga home improvements dito sa current na binibuild kong bahay. And then, I'm trying to improve my workspace and my room dito sa province.
Mandawi po.
Just really trying to learn something new every day, whether it's about motovlogging, finances, work, or whatnot. I'm really still figuring things out. Even though I'm already 35, I'm still working towards the life I imagine. But one thing I've learned is that you don't wake up living your dream life, you build it. One ordinary day or one slow day at a time. So for this one, thanks for coming along.